Hi guys, here are the final pictures from my first project for 2025, and it took us 5 weeks, and it's a lot of hard work to make it happen in 5 weeks, and we are glad that it turned out good. And initially we planned to do just a minor renovation, but we ended up doing a full renovation, and it costed us little over $60,000. Brand new HVAC, brand new plumbing, brand new electrical, brand new sheetrock, brand new flooring, everything you name it, it's brand new. And one more good news is we found a tenant before even we finished the project, and the tenant signed the lease. They're moving in 2 weeks. This is the 2-bed 1-bath, little outside of Charlotte, and renting for $1,500. And I'm a full-time into real estate business, and my second project for 2025 is in pipeline, and we're planning to start that next week. And stay tuned for more progress. And if you got any questions, you can always leave in the comments. I'll try to answer them. So that's pretty much it. If anyone want to invest in real estate or do a joint venture with me, you're welcome. You can always DM me on my Instagram, and we'll connect and we'll try to work out something. Thank you very much guys. Stay tuned. Bye bye.